So Jesus and his disciples come cross go the other side for the river, for Gerasenes area. As Jesus just dey come down from the boat, one man wey get evil spirit come out from the burial ground, run come meet am. Na inside burial ground the man dey stay, and nobody dey fit tie am, even with chain, because dem don tie him hand and him leg many times with chain and handcuff, but he cut dem throway. Nobody strong reach to hold am. Every day and night for the burial ground near where mountain dey, he dey shout, dey use stone dey cut him body. When he see Jesus dey come from far, he run go meet am, come bow down for him front. Then he come shout,
"Make you leave me, Jesus, you wey be almighty God pikin. I take God beg you, no suffer me."
Because Jesus don tell the demon before say,
"Comot from that man body."
Jesus ask am,
Wetin be your name?
he answer,
"My name na Legion, because we plenty."
he come beg Jesus make he no drive dem comot from the area. For the mountainside, plenty pig dey there dey chop. So the demon come beg Jesus say,
"Oga, make you allow us enter the pig dem."
so Jesus come allow them. So the evil spirit come out from the man, come enter the pig dem. Then the pig dem run pass one low place, enter the river, and dem reach 2,000 wey die inside the water. So the men wey dey guide the pigs for there come run go spread the news for the town, and people for the area come go look wetin happen. When dem come meet Jesus, dem come see the man wey demon dey inside am before sit down for there. He wear cloth and him head correct, so fear catch dem. People wey see wetin happen to the man wey get demon before come tell others wey come. Then they beg Jesus make he comot for their area. As Jesus dey enter boat, the man wey get demon before come ask whether he fit follow am, but Jesus no gree make the man follow dem. Instead, he tell am,
Go your house, go meet your people, and make you tell them wetin God don do for you, because God don sorry for you.
So the man come go, begin talk for the whole village about wetin God do for am, and everybody wey hear am surprise well well.